Well, it's hot today. Holy crap. As anyone who owns a bandsaw knows, you have to replace the tires from time to time. The tires are the bands that that the saw itself grips to when the tire goes around. Those get loose, they get worn in or whatever, and they get loose, and then they just need replacing. So I bought some blue urethane bands. They were, I think it was 30 bucks. It was $15 for both of them. It was 30 bucks, shipped. Anyway, they're supposed to never wear out, whatever, okay, but they're really hard to get on. I'm going to show you how to replace your, sunshine, for frick's sakes, how to replace the tires on your bandsaw. Specifically a jet bandsaw, but I would imagine that it would work for any bandsaw, you know. So let me put you on a tripod and we'll get at it. Okay, removing the old tire. Since the old tire is worn out anyway, it should be a breeze to take off. I use a scratch-all. I did on the top one anyway. This is a learning experience for me too. I just figured I'd show you in case you wanted to watch. Take the scratch-all. Why am I shaking so goddamn bad? Anyway, take the scratch-all. Zoom in here. And you very carefully, so you don't mar the aluminum. Very carefully lift just a little bit of the tire and catch it with your finger. Okay? Get it caught with your finger. Put the scratch-all in there, lift, and slide so it's in there like that. Then you can take it's the old tire. Just do this. Pull that old tire off of there. Somebody's texting me. Okay, what you're going to need is a clamp or some sort of system to hold one side of the wheel on. Hold one side of the tire on the wheel. Otherwise it's a real bitch to take it off or put it back on. I'm using one of these. This is like this is a welder's clamp. You can see it's got the flat spot, so it's not going to mar the urethane wheel. But what I do is I take, where's my wheel? Oh yeah, right over there. Take the tire. God, I must be hungry or something. I'm shaking. Take the tire and kind of put it in there. So the back edge of the tire is against the lip where the tire goes. Right? Leave yourself a little bit of space there. Take your clamp. Put it on. And that'll stop right there. Now with the urethane tire kit comes in an installation tool. It's a block of wood with a nail and a piece of hard plastic in there. That's all that is. It makes installation easy, but as I found out on the top wheel, if you pull this out when you're done, you can mar the aluminum on the back side of the lip. So we'll figure out something different there when the time comes. But what you want to do is you want to start down here and just kind of set it in, set the tire in, and once you get to a point where it looks like it's, you know, it's getting tough to put in, that's when you use the tool. Put your tool in there, put the hard plastic on there. Right now, if you can see this, I'm just slowly working it around. I got too far off there. Okay. difficult. This one's difficult with the table in the way. Pushing. Keep pushing. Going around. Sliding that tire in there. Keep her going. Going around. Pretty soon. All the way. Yeah, the bottom tire is difficult. Wow. Okay. Now you kind of push the tire in to make it seat against the back of the lip. Okay. Now we're going to peel that tool out of there, but we're going to put the scratch all in there first to give it a little bit of room to come out of there. And let's get myself some room down here. Okay. Like that. And that way I don't mar the surface of the aluminum. Taking that out. Now, let me get the camera and show you what's going on here. Okay, what's happening is you see in there it's nice and seated against the back lip of the wheel. But the front is not. The front's got a bunch sticking out. Now that's got to be seated down inside that lip, otherwise you're going to have problems. So what I've done, or what I came up with on the last tire, is you take your same tool, you just take a smooth jaw plier. Somebody's texting me again. Or one of these. And you kind of just, I don't know whether you can see that or not, just push that tire let me grab you. Okay. What you do is you take the, see how it's sticking out, and I've already pushed it down here. Right in here it's pushed down to the lip. Right here it's not. What you do is just take your plier or whatever and just, it would help if you could see what I'm doing, wouldn't it? This is really hard. But you just put it down in there all the way around. And you put your belt on, adjust as necessary, and you're done. You're texting me again. Thanks for watching. Bye.